guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take an animal print slip skirt and use it in several different outfits using things that you probably already have in your closet. So all of the garments that I'm going to be putting together are things that I already had in my closet. I didn't go out and buy anything new for the skirt. It's kind of funny because I've never owned an animal print skirt before, which is strange because I am a huge animal print fan. So when I found the slip skirt, I started thinking about how I could use it in so many different ways. Stay tuned to see all of the outfits that I put together for the slip skirt, and you're going to see that you honestly can use the slip skirt with just about anything in your closet. So I'm going to be numbering each outfit and listing the core items that I use to put the look together. And if you would like, leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite outfit is. And if you stay tuned to the very end, I'm gonna let you know which outfit was my favorite. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I just wanna say, being that it's a new year, 2020, I do have a personal goal of mine, and I really want to reach 500 subscribers. So that is my goal for 2020, to reach 500 subscribers. So if you would consider subscribing to my channel and helping me reach my goal. All right guys, stay tuned for the outfits.
I can hear music grow louder, top going down while we're riding. Nothing like us, babe, we be glorious. Looking real pretty like Kylie, we bring commotion, no hiding. No one like us, babe, we are glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that stop us. You and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe, we be glorious. And you could try hating or shaming, there'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe, we be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the
Alright guys, if you liked this video, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which outfit you liked the best. Also, please don't forget, if you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As you know, I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers for the year 2020, so please help me reach my goal. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!